Okay, so this one?
This right here, it says time.
Okay.
So right here is where it currently is at.
1 o'clock,
So
yeah.
it just about went off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then it's going to stay off until it gets to there, which is 6 a.m.
6 a.m. it turns on.
and turns
Okay.
back on. And if you ever need to adjust the times on them,
Mm-hmm.
then you just loosen that right there,
Mm-hmm.
like
Yeah, that little,
that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can slide this to wherever it needs to go.
So like if I want to turn it off at 9 a.m., I would put it here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, and so Anna, that's all you got to do. Move this one.
Yeah.
And the other one is perfect because it turns on at 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well,
And if you ever
good.
need
What
to,
is it?
This is the
7
dark.
to what? 6 to 1.
6 to 1 o'clock, it stays on right now.
but if it goes off at 1:30,
Mm-hmm.
you're still going to have several hours of hot water because this wrap will maintain the temperature for several hours.
So let's turn it off at 9 a.m., Anna.
Okay.
And then,
I don't know if it'll be still hot by 1:30.
Right.
I don't know if it'll still be hot by 1:30.
Oh, let's try it. We'll see. And then
Okay.
we'll play around with it. So all I have to do is twist and
Just
then
loosen
slide
and
it.
slide it up to where
to
you want it
9
to go
a.m..
off. Yeah.
Because it still has, we have hot water.
Right.
Because last night, when I washed the dishes,
You still have hot water.
I
At
have
midnight.
hot water.
Yeah. Well, this will definitely maintain the temperature as long as a lot longer than it would without it. But
And what is the name of the man that he came?
Jim
Jim?
from Home Depot?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
He says somebody's coming because we have leaks
Leak? Where?
on the top.
Oh, in the roof?
Yeah. He says somebody's coming to see. With
Oh, the ducts.
Oh, the
ducks.
ducks,
AC
the
ducts.
ducks.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
we
That's
wanna-
something else. Okay.
yeah. So